This is how to find the values of x or the root of quadratic equation using the calculator. So the first thing you do is to press on mode. Then you select number 5, which stands for equations. Then we select number 3. So number 3 we have ax squared plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a, b, and c, they are all constant, meaning they are numbers. So we are going to select number 3. Now, we are asked to input the value of a. So the value of a is the coefficient of x squared. Looking at question number 1, the coefficient of x squared is 1. Then press on the equal to, and the coefficient of x is 5, which is b. And the constant, which is 6. Now, when you are done, then you press on the equal to sign again. So the value for x1 is -2, and also the value of x2 is -3. Now, this calculator calculates the x value minimum, that is the minimum value for x and also the minimum value for y. But the concentration is on finding the values of x, so don't worry about this part. Now, let's look at the second question. So, the second question, we have x squared minus 16 is equal to 0. So, over here, we are going to compute the value of a. So, the coefficient of x squared is 1. Then, here, we don't have bx there. Unlike the first question where we have 5x, over here we don't have something like 5x or bx10. So it means that place is 0. Then the constant is -16. When you're done, then you press on the equal to sign. So the value for x1 is 4 and the value for x2 is -4. Alright, when you're done, then you also press on the AC again to clear everything. Let's look at number 3. So number 3 we have 4, 4, 1. Then you press on the equal to again. So the value for x is -1/2. Now, over here, we don't see something like x1 or x2. So if you press on it again, you'll still be seeing x. On your calculator, you'll still be seeing the same thing as x. So it means that this question number 3 is a repeated root, meaning our x1 is -1/2 and our x2 is also -1/2. That is why the calculator displayed only one value for x. So anytime you work something like this and you're getting only one value for x, it means this is a repeated root. Let's look at the fourth question. So the coefficient of x squared is 1. The press on equal to, that of b is -6. And the constant is 9. Then you press on equal to again. So looking at this one, so we don't have x1 or x2. So meaning that this is a repeated root, meaning x1 is 3 and also x2 is 3. Alright, let's look at the fifth question. So we have 1, 2, and 5. Then you press on equal to. So anytime you work something like this, it means that this is a complex number. You are getting the complex roots. So the 2i represent the complex part and the -1 represent the real part. So our x1 is -1 plus 2i and also -1 minus 2i. Thank you for watching.